Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Back to the channel. Today, we're working through how to transfer your Wix website to Wix Studio in 2025. If you've been using the standard Wix editor and you're ready to upgrade the more powerful, responsive Wix Studio platform, this guide will help you to do it the right way. First thing first, Wix doesn't offer a one-click transfer from a classic editor to Wix Studio, so this process involves recreating your website in a new environment. Don't worry though, it's smoother than it sounds. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening Wix Studio. Create a new site using Wix Studio's tools and pick up a blank canvas or a studio template that closely matches your original layout. From there, begin manually copying over your content that includes text, images, videos, and page structure. One of the best things about Wix Studio is its responsive design tools. Unlike the standard Wix editor, which handles a mobile and desktop separately, Studio gives you a full control over breakpoints, flexible grids, and dynamic resizing. So take this as a chance to redesign your site with a modern touch. If your currency is using a custom code or Wix Velo, you will need to migrate those scripts carefully. Wix Studio supports Velo, but you will want to test a lane logic or data connection thoroughly before going live. Also make sure to set up your SEO basic again. Page titles, description, and alt text don't carry over automatically. And don't forget to reconnect your domain once everything's ready. You can do that from the Wix dashboard under your settings. Finally, preview the entire site on the different screen size. Double check forms and links, and hit the publish when you're ready. So while Wix doesn't offer an instant migration tool yet, recreating your site in Wix Studio is totally worth it. You get better performance, more design control, and a smoother experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching. If this helped you get started with the Wix Studio, be sure to like, comment with your questions, and subscribe for more web design tips and guides. Catch you in the next video.